Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Myself Sidra Mansoor. The topic I am going to present is hope. So I have to give presentation on any organization, NGO and foundation that have the name hope. So I have chosen an organization that is Hope Foundation. It is situated in Islamabad. But prior to that, I want to give a little bit glance about my own organization. Its name is Hope Alive. Just because the name is associated with my presentation, I am describing my own organization in just 2 to 3 slides. And so here is Hope Alive, a fundraising charity, and its inception is in April 2020. I'm the founder, president, and managing director of Hope Alive. The slogan we kept for Hope Alive is, "Let's keep the hope alive." You can see the logo here as well. Hope Alive, the core cabinet consists of 2 presidents, and first one is me, that is founder, president, and managing director, and my co-president is Tahreem Abdul Hakim. We have ambassadors from 14 different cities of Pakistan. The programs we have covered so far are seasonal program. The first, and it consists of 2 phases. First phase is food package drive for unemployed daily wagers during lockdown. And second phase is food package drive for most deserving people during month of Ramadan. As I have told you, its inception is in April 2020, and in just 2 months we have covered 2 phases. So a seasonal program was the basic program we have covered so far. Its purpose was, we can say, project description is to enable impoverished families to enjoy the month of Ramadan and to have food during lockdown as well. Distribute food packages during lockdown in unemployed daily wage earners and Ramadan food package among the most deserving people across 33 different areas of Pakistan. We prioritized remote areas basically. In phase 1, that is for lockdown and for unemployed daily wagers, we have covered 415 families with donation 9,29,100 rupees. In phase 2, we have covered 200 families with the donation 3 lakh. I am adding a quotation here as well that I used to motivate my team, my volunteers, and my colleagues in Hope Alive, and that is, if you keep hope alive, it will keep you alive. That's it from my own organization, and it's a starting period of my organization, and there are many milestones to cover yet, and inshallah it will have many programs in future as well. So here comes towards the main topic of my presentation, that is Hope Foundation. Hope Foundation, in this, hope is basically acronym of health orientation and poverty eradication. It registered with the Government of Pakistan and Azad Jammu Kashmir under Trust Act 1882. It is non-profit, non-governmental and non-political organization. Since its inception in year 2003, it has responded to all natural disasters, man-made disasters, all phases like relief, recovery and rehabilitation. Geographical coverage is basically in Pakistan and registered in year 2003 and established in the same year. Thematic areas are orphans, education, poverty, health and emergency services. Mission of Hope Foundation is to strive for poverty alleviation, social development in most neglected, underprivileged class of society, irrespective of caste, creed, and religion. Vision of Hope Foundation is much clearer one, and that is a prosperous nation without poverty, hunger, illiteracy, where everyone avails basic needs of life. Core values are integrity, stewardship, quality, and commitment. The programs Hope Foundation has covered so far are 6 programs. I will discuss one by one in my next slides. And each program has covered many projects in the respective areas in different years, and programs are emergency relief, health services, orphan support, poverty alleviation, seasonal program, water sanitation. Emergency relief. Project description is, as we know, Pakistan is a disaster-prone area. Earthquake, floods, cyclone, and drought are seems affecting large number of population one after another. A committed team accompanied with dedicated and trained volunteers in many parts of the country enabled Hope Foundation to respond effectively in all emergencies during last decade. Objectives of this project was provision of food and non-food items, water trucking, mobile medical camps, shelters and tents for the sufferers of any natural calamity. Second program is health services, and description is health services in Pakistan are inadequate and large number of population lacks quality of health services, especially in rural area. Malnutrition and improper health care are major reasons of 50% deaths in mothers and children in Pakistan. Hope Foundation striving to provide efficient and effective health care to marginalized and poor community living in far-flung areas of Pakistan. Hope Foundation intends to establish free medical centers to provide medical treatment and medicines in the target areas, and ambulance services for emergency situation and for the services of the poor and needy patients of the target community has been launched. Objectives of Health Services Program are facilitating and providing health services, medical camps projects, mother care and newborn care projects, hepatitis free Pakistan projects, eyes operation, health awareness, ambulance facility. Third program is orphan support. Project description is Hope Foundation recognizes its role for the welfare of most vulnerable group in society. Protection and welfare of orphans, special children, widows, and senior citizens are prior responsibility of the society. It's our moral and social responsibility to ensure basic needs of these vulnerable groups. Today, social protection is being considered as foremost focus in efforts to reduce poverty. Objectives are meet the basic survival need of widows and their orphan children, promote an economically stable family life and healthy environment at home, ensure the children will no longer be forced to work to supplement the family income to the detriment of their own educational goals. Poverty alleviation. goal of poverty alleviation cannot be achieved without preparing the community to stand firmly on their own feet. A little technical support, proper facilitation and guidance can bring out a family from persistent clouds of poverty. Poverty, lacks of resources, disparities, and lack of quality in education are the major causes for Pakistan having half of nation illiterate. Recently, Hope Foundation has 9 vocational training centers to join hands with government to contribute in nation building. The primary focus is to support poor community and make them self-reliant by giving them free technical training and stop the devil of poverty and enable them to shine higher in society. Objectives are income generation program, small shops, honeybee farm, provision of milking cow and goats, cows and goat farm, poultry farm, vocational training program. Here these two programs are conducted by Hope Foundation. I have taken these pictures from their website. The first one is Women Empowerment Program. By training them in according to their skills, stitching skills and many others. Second is Skill Training Program for Women, that is hand knitted bags, sweaters and other things like that. Fifth program is Seasonal Program. The purpose and description of this project is to enable impoverished families to enjoy the month of Ramadan, have the chance to celebrate Eid with their families, distribute food packages in Ramadan, gifts on Eid al-Fitr, and meet at Eid al-Adha among the most deserving people across the Pakistan and Kashmir. The beneficiaries are selected in conjunction with the local welfare groups working alongside Hope Foundation. Two programs that are seasonal program have conducted. The first one is Qurbani Zabiha program and the second is Ramadan Food Iftar and Zakah program. Water sanitation is the sixth and the last program of Hope Foundation. Project description is: estimates indicate that each year more than 3 million Pakistanis become infected with waterborne diseases. Improve water and sanitation coverage and quality is one of the prime objectives of Hope Foundation. According to Pakistan Council of Research, 88% of the functional water supply schemes in Pakistan are providing unsafe drinking water. Hope Foundation has put in serious efforts to contribute in provision of life drops to the community living in far-flung areas of Pakistan and AJK. Project objectives are water tanks projects, water supply schemes, hand pumps, water well projects, filtration plants, construction of pit latrines, awareness campaigns, distribution of hygiene kits, water coolers, and the output of this program is the benefits of these services may extend way beyond the improvement to health and reduction in time spent collecting water. These changes will also result in improvement in education and income, and yes, they have done it as well. That's all from my side for the Hope organization. I have explained two organizations. The one is my own organization, that is Hope Alive, and second is the very renowned organization of Pakistan, that is Hope Foundation, situated in Islamabad. And that's all from my side. Thank you so much, sir.